What has China done for Africa? In 2000, China and Africa established the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, or FOCAC, to help build economic and social ties. What has been achieved during the past 15 years? FOCAC is meant to be a platform for China-Africa dialogue and boost assistance and cooperation for African infrastructure work and industrialization. China has provided the promised loan of $20 billion in the past decade to support Africa's development. Besides that, China continues to invest and finance some of the continent's infrastructure construction and industrialization. The closer ties are thought to have promoted the trade and investment between China and Africa. Since the launch of FOCAC in 2000, China-Africa trade volume has climbed from $10 billion to over $220 billion in 2014. China has made good on its other promises in areas including education and culture, healthcare, and peacekeeping. Statistics from China's Ministry of Education showed that the number of African students studying in China has been growing at an annual rate of 35%, numbering over 41,000 as of 2014. It is thought that this is largely due to China's policies favoring African students and scholarships targeting them. Although these are broad continent-wide figures, it is important to remember that Africa is not one homogeneous region, and China has adapted to the differing national and regional needs and demands. China has provided the stated amount of cash to support and strengthen the public health systems throughout Africa. During the Ebola crisis in West Africa, China sent more than 1,000 epidemic experts and medical staff to the continent, along with emergency aid totaling 750 million yuan. China's engagement on the continent's peace and security has also been applauded by many. It has sent 18 maritime warship formations to the troubled Gulf of Aden and Somali waters, completing 751 escort missions. The country has also provided 1,800 peacekeeping troops to hotspots across Africa. China's impact across Africa is undeniable, and with the next FOCAC meeting starting this week, the hope is that the future will be just as bright as the last 15 years.